A social media post claims that accompanying images show protests held in London, Berlin, and other places against the ongoing COVID-19 vaccine trials. The post also warns Indians against participating in these vaccine trials. We put each of the 5 images seen in the post through reverse image search to check for the authenticity of the claim. We found the image that is supposed to show protests in Berlin in a news article that says that the photo was clicked during a protest near the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin on 1st August 2020. The protest was held against government restrictions amid the pandemic. The article does not say that the protests were held against vaccine trials. Reverse image search of the London photo led us to a stock image that closely resembles the one seen in the post. We can find a similar building and flags in both images. According to the description, the image was clicked on 16th August 2020 during a protest in Minsk, Belarus against the results of the latest presidential election. Taking a cue from here, we did an internet search with the keywords Belarus protests and found a news article that carried a similar image. According to the article, this image was also clicked during a protest in Minsk against the result of the presidential election. The remaining 3 images are supposedly from Hamburg, Germany. Of these, we could not find the original source of one image. For the second, an internet search with the keywords Hamburg protests led us to a news video that had visuals resembling the image in the post. The description below the video reads, "Demonstration against the government and anti-corona measures in Hamburg." The protest was live streamed on 15th August 2020. For the last photo, we typed the keywords Freedom Gathering seen in the photo on YouTube, and this led us to a video uploaded on 18th August 2020. The description of the video states that the gathering took place in Birmingham, UK. A speaker in the video talks about COVID-19 lockdown restrictions, but not about vaccine experimental trials. We then did an internet search with the keywords Freedom Gathering and found news articles that reported it. According to these articles, the people in the video were anti-mask protesters who gathered in Birmingham to rally against the government's coronavirus lockdown restrictions. As images of protests against lockdown restrictions in the UK and Germany and images of a protest against the result of the presidential election in Belarus are being shared as images of protests against COVID-19 vaccine trials, this post is fake. When you come across a piece of news that seems too ridiculous to be true, don't leave things to doubt. Run searches on Google and Yandex and weigh out the true and false of the situation for yourself by looking at the facts. But first of all, before you hit that forward button, pause.